What's up, everybody? It's Jack here at the Fort Lauderdale Marina by Hilton, and I just want to give you an exterior tour and show you the beauty that it is. All right, so hang in there, and here we go. Look at this, how beautiful it is out here. It's a little cloudy. You got the water taxi there, and you can, I don't know much about boats, but you can do your boats right up here. Got some beautiful homes out there, some being reconstructed. Now look at that yacht over there. Wow, that's huge. Couple of huge yachts. Got another one over there. Oh, and the bridge is going up. Look. Bonus, it is going up. That's cool. What's coming through? I wonder what's coming through. That bridge is going up. Yeah, it's nice. Check this out. That's pretty cool. And you got another big yacht over there. It's a little windy here today. I apologize, you know how it is whenever I record, it's always windy. So, but we'll get back to it. Let's just look at all the other beautiful homes being built here. And for those of you who do not know Fort Lauderdale, this is the 17th Street Bridge. This is right off of Eisenhower Boulevard. And this is how you get from the non-beach part to the beach part. You cross over this bridge, and then right around the corner from those buildings and those homes, right back on the other side is Fort Lauderdale Beach. Let's check this out here. So again, this is the Hilton Fort Lauderdale Marina in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And what we have here is gas station. This is where they pump up everything. This is the exterior of the building, of the hotel. It's a beautiful hotel. Oh, there's a water taxi here too that stops right here. Oh, that's pretty cool. If the day was a little nicer, I'd probably take a water taxi. But right now, with the wind the way it's blowing, I'm not too sure about that. So we'll see what's up. And this is where you catch the line for the water taxi. Drop off points at a couple of destinations. That way you can hop on, hop off. That's the rooftop bar there. So you do have a real good view if you stay at this hotel. It's right by the water. And you got a bunch of people on the boat. You got boats from the smallest boats to the biggest boats to the yachts. There you go. All right, and as you saw the big tower for the Hilton, this is some of the outer parts of the Hilton. You'll see it has little villas here on the side, and then that's the big tower. I'm staying in a little villa, but in the inside interior. There's a fishing boat right there. And look at this baby. It's beautiful. then there's more boats and private residences there. So it's really, really cool. Look at that. You don't see this every day. Hey, look who's here. What's up, buddy? Nice. That's pretty cool. Where's he gonna go? Don't jump. I'll go around you. That's cool. All right, all right. So pretty much this is the tour of the back of the building. As you can see, the boats. This is all from the hotel. So it's a beautiful view. Even though it's a little cloudy day, but it's still a beautiful view. I hope everybody enjoyed this video here at the Fort Lauderdale Marina in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. There'll be more videos coming. Enjoy the ride.